Hello, Dog Bedsit blogger here, and well, it's Friday, and today I was like, oh, what am I going to do the vlog about? What am I going to? I had a quick chat to Ty Webb, will be back, and he suggested something about the Mayan calendar, which that's quite a good idea. Tim from Reno also suggested something about the 21st of December 2012. I'm going to have a think about it because I'm not quite sure what I think about it, to be honest, other than, yeah, I'm not quite sure. But it reminded me, I have been getting a few personal messages from Rugby 721 requesting me to drink a beer and do lots of burps. And yeah, I'm doing it now. I'm doing it for you now. I have a Bava imported dark lager, and I'm a fan of dark lagers. I'll just pop that off. There you go, a bit of Bava dark lager. And yes, I think he lurks within the drinking community on YouTube, which that's sometimes a little crazy world. I like to have a little quick look at, people drinking 40 ounces in 30 seconds, and Pope Benedict, you're the King Kong of them. You say intelligent stuff and interesting stuff, and you blast all those Americans out of the water. But then I don't watch much of the drinking community because, from what I've seen, once you see it, you've seen a bloke going. But anyway, so I'm gonna drink this dark ale, dark lager, and do some burps for Rugby 721. That's quite nice. It's got a good hoppy flavour. A lot more fulfilling than say the normal Budvar, which is just a bit lagery and wet. You know what I mean? It's nicer than Budweiser. Yeah. Oh, still full of. It's coming. I can feel it. It's not a good burp. Okay, I think there'll be more. Hopefully there'll be more. So I've really let down Rugby 721. No, it's still got the foam. See, there's some people who just seem to drink beer and then just burp loads. I'm just far too well mannered for that, to be honest. It's not looking good as far as burps go. Very sorry. How terribly embarrassing. I'm letting the side down with these feeble, small child burps. Has the beer gone? Got lots of foam. Very foamy. Normally I drink Guinness when I occasionally go to pubs. I don't go to pubs very often. So yeah, it's not very burpy. So maybe I may have to unleash a power that I had when I was at school. And oh, just a minute, here it comes. Not very good, that is it really, and that's not going to please an internet pervert, is it? That kind of lackluster burping. So here's one of my secret powers. No, that's not very good either. So yeah, so it's a kind of a bit of a fail. I'm too full of beer and far too grown up to burp a lot. I'll just try one more. Right. This is going to be the one. That's rubbish, wasn't it? I'm very sorry. So this is a dull bedsit blogger fail with some half-assed burps. There you go. That'll do for now, won't it? Yeah, I think it will.